In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails from one sender in Gmail. If your inbox is crowded with messages from the same person, store, newsletter, or service, Gmail makes it pretty easy to find them and remove them in batches. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple way to search for emails from one sender and delete them page by page so you can clean up your inbox without having to remove messages one at a time. To begin, open Gmail and go to your inbox. Make sure you're on the main Gmail screen where you can see your email list and the search bar at the top. That search bar is the key tool we'll use here because it helps Gmail filter messages from a specific sender. Next, click into the search bar and type "from" followed by the sender name or sender email address you want to target. This tells Gmail to show only messages sent from that source. Be careful when entering it because using the correct sender details will help make sure the results are accurate. Once you enter it, run the search so Gmail can display the matching emails. After that, click on the option that says "All search results" for the sender you entered. This expands the results and makes sure Gmail is showing the full set of matching emails, not just a limited preview. That's important if you want to remove as many of those emails as possible. Now go to the top left area above your messages and click the unchecked selection box. This selects the emails currently visible on the page. It's a quick way to highlight everything you're seeing without having to click each message individually. Once the emails on that page are selected, click the bin icon to delete them. This will move the selected messages to the trash. Keep in mind that deleting emails in Gmail usually sends them to trash first, rather than removing them permanently right away, so you may still be able to recover them later if needed. If there are more emails from that sender than fit on one page, continue to the next page and repeat the same process. Select the messages using the checkbox, then click the bin icon again. Keep doing that page by page until you've gone through all the results and removed everything you want. And that's it. This is a practical way to clear out repeated emails from one sender and make your Gmail inbox much easier to manage.